Welcome! Today you'll build an ATS-friendly CV in just 30 minutes. Did you know 75% of CVs never reach a recruiter? Let's use free AI tools to beat the ATS system.
Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you've been spending hours agonizing over your resume, firing it off to dozens of companies, and hearing absolutely nothing back but crickets, I need you to know you're definitely not alone. It's incredibly frustrating, right? Well, today, we are going to fix that. We're going to build a system that actually works, and we're going to do the whole shebang in under 30 minutes using free AI tools to build a highly optimized CV that actually lands you interviews. So here is our agenda for today. We're covering 1, the ATS rejection trap, 2, the 6-step AI system, 3, acing the Rezi ATS score, 4, aligning your LinkedIn profile, 5, 8 pitfalls to avoid, and 6, the quick reference checklist. Let's get right into it. Section 1, the ATS rejection trap. This is the painful reality of the modern job hunt, and it's the hidden villain that's actively blocking your success. 75%. Let that sink in for a second. A staggering 75% of CVs are automatically rejected before a human recruiter ever even lays eyes on them. That means your beautiful formatting, your perfectly crafted sentences, and all of that hard-earned experience you have, it's completely invisible to the actual hiring manager 3/4 of the time. And listen, this isn't about your talent, and it's not about your worth. It is entirely about how your CV is written and processed. The real culprit here is the ATS, or Applicant Tracking System. You can think of the ATS kind of like a strict bouncer at an exclusive club, right? They're standing there checking a VIP list, and if your CV doesn't possess the exact keywords matching the job description, which is the VIP list in this scenario, you are not getting past that velvet rope. It literally doesn't matter how great you'd be inside the club. The software just scans, it matches keywords, and if you don't have enough of them, it tosses your application straight into the digital trash. But here's the good news. AI is perfectly designed to beat this exact system. Which brings us to Section 2, the 6-step AI system. Let's look at how we can systematically outsmart that bouncer. Here is your overarching 30-minute workflow. And the best part? This entire process requires absolutely $0 to start. It relies on brilliant, free tools like ChatGPT, Rezi, Kickresume, and Claude. So step 1, you simply copy the full job description. Step 2, we write the CV using ChatGPT. Step 3, we mathematically check our ATS score. 4, format it cleanly into a PDF. 5, generate a tailored cover letter. And finally, step 6, update LinkedIn. It's a complete end-to-end pipeline. Now, the real magic happens in step 2, but you absolutely have to do it right. If you just log in and ask ChatGPT to write me a CV, you're gonna fail. You've got to be highly specific. Let's look at Kemi's tailored prompt. Kemi is a freelance accountant in Lagos, and she's targeting international remote finance roles. Instead of just a generic prompt, she fed the AI her exact job title, her 7 years of experience, her specific skills like cloud-based finance tools, and most importantly, she pasted the exact job description right into the prompt. Because she did that, ChatGPT perfectly mirrored those specific job description keywords back into her bullet points. It added strong action verbs and actually quantified her achievements. It's a total game changer. All right, Section 3, acing the Rezi ATS score. Generating that text is fantastic, but it's only half the battle. We have to mathematically prove the CV is ready before hitting submit. And this brilliantly illustrates the journey of James. James is a virtual assistant in Birmingham wanting to land a senior operations coordinator role. He took his initial ChatGPT resume and the target job description, and he dropped them into a free tool called Rezi to check his ATS score. Well, he started with a failing 61%. Yikes, right? But Rezi told him exactly what he was missing. It highlighted that the job description specifically required the phrases project coordination and stakeholder management. So James went back to ChatGPT, asked it to naturally weave those 2 true skills into his past experience, retested it, and boom, jumps to an 84%. So the absolutely crucial takeaway here is this. 75% is your golden threshold. Never, ever submit an application until a tool like Rezi verifies your CV matches the job description with a score of 75% or higher. That is what guarantees your application will actually pass those automated filters and finally reach a human being. Moving on to Section 4, aligning your LinkedIn profile. Because once your newly optimized CV gets you through the door, recruiters are going to immediately search for you online. If your CV says senior finance manager, but your LinkedIn still says entry-level bookkeeper, that disconnect is going to cost you the interview for sure. For this step, we actually switch from ChatGPT over to Claude AI. Why? Because Claude just sounds much more naturally human and conversational, which is exactly the vibe you want for a LinkedIn About section. You don't want to sound like a corporate robot. Notice James's transformation here. His old bio was incredibly generic, but using Claude, he completely rewrote it to position himself as a senior operations professional. It now quantifies that he saves teams 10+ hours a week, and it ends with a really clear call to action for recruiters to connect. And the results of this alignment, they were massive. James's profile views didn't just inch up, they tripled. They jumped from 100 to 320 in just 7 days. He started appearing in 180% more searches, and recruiters actually started messaging him directly for roles he hadn't even applied for yet. That is the power of alignment. Section 5, 8 pitfalls to avoid. The system works incredibly well, but before you rush off to start building, we absolutely need to cover the mistakes that will instantly ruin a well-written AI resume. These 8 pitfalls are literal application killers. Number 1, if you use a generic prompt, your CV will lack those essential keywords. 2, if you use fancy formatting like a 2-column layout or graphics, the ATS software will literally jumble your text and reject you. Always use a single-column clean template from a site like Kickresume. 3, if you skip the Rezi score check, you're flying blind. 4, using one master CV for every job means you will fail the specific keyword scans. 5, if you forget to fact-check AI hallucinations, well, you might end up claiming you used software you've never even heard of. 6, if your CV is 3 pages long, recruiters just won't read it. 7, if your LinkedIn doesn't match, you lose trust instantly. And finally, number 8, if you save your file as a Word document instead of a clean PDF, the formatting could completely break on the recruiter's computer. You've got to avoid these at all costs.
All right, Section 6, the quick reference checklist. Let's lock in everything you've learned today into a solid, repeatable system.
I want you to grab your phone and take a screenshot of this checklist right now. Seriously, snap a picture, because this is the exact 30-minute system you should use for every single role you apply to moving forward. You copy the full job description, you feed it to ChatGPT with your exact background to generate the CV. You run it through Rezi until you hit that magic 75% or higher. You put the text into a clean single-column PDF builder like Kickresume. You use ChatGPT to write a targeted cover letter in 60 seconds. And finally, you make sure your LinkedIn reflects this new, powerful narrative using Claude AI. So, there you have it. You've completely bypassed the 75% rejection trap. You hold the ultimate key to get past the ATS bouncer. But having the perfect VIP pass is really only step 1. The real question I want to leave you with is this. Now that your CV is an absolute magnet for recruiters, how will you use AI to uncover the hidden job market and find the roles that actually deserve your talent? Keep that in the back of your mind as you launch your newly optimized applications out into the world. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy applying.
Today you learned how to beat ATS using free AI. Tomorrow we'll use AI to discover hidden job opportunities.